with charge +2 and mass 4 unit. So he used the alpha particles to bombard a beryllium atom with atomic number 4 and mass 9 unit. And when he bombarded the beryllium atom with a fast moving alpha particle, he obtained a carbon atom with atomic number 6 and mass 12 unit. Along with that carbon atom, he obtained a neutral particle with charge 0 and mass 1 unit. So that neutral particle was the neutron. So if we put this whole experiment in terms of an equation, we get 4 helium. So these alpha particles are nothing but helium atoms plus plus 9 beryllium gives us 12 carbon plus 1 neutron. So this is the equation. Next, let us consider the example of boron. So similarly, an alpha particle with mass 4 unit and charge 0 plus 2. When used for the bombardment of boron atom with atomic number 5, mass 11 unit, he obtained a nitrogen atom with atomic number 7 and mass 14. Along with that nitrogen atom, you obtain another particle which has no charge, that is, charge is equals to 0 and mass is equals to 1 unit. So that particle was named as neutron. So if we put this whole experiment in terms of an equation, we get helium plus boron 11 gives us 14 nitrogen plus 1 neutron. So it was found that the neutrons do not have any charge and they are electrically neutral, and the mass of the neutron is slightly larger than that of proton. So the mass of neutron is 1.6749 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram, while that of proton is 1.6726 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. So this was all about the discovery of neutrons. Thank you.